is ASMR. Just kidding. I'm not gonna put you through that. I'm just gonna focus on my unboxings, which today we are unboxing boxes because Connor Quigley on Instagram recommended unboxing a box, and then my friend Ellie gave me some boxes for the purpose of unboxing today. So that's why we do what we do. This first box here, it is cardboard, it is large, absolute unit. Look at this boy. This one is labeled cleaning and misc. I cannot wait to see what the misc is because I don't know what cleaning looks like inside of a box. So, box looks like it's been used. Yes, it's been used. That's okay, we love all boxes. Let's look at this next box inside the box. This box, as you might expect, is smaller than the other box. That is because of science and size. This one has to be smaller in order to, fit in there. Trust me, it works. Inside this box, we have another box. Ooh. This box comes to us from Whole Foods, apparently. Ellie probably ordered some kale and it came in this box, and I think the packaging on this box is intended kind of for moms who shop at Whole Foods as opposed to Half Foods, because then they can, after they take their kale out of the box and feed their family, they can give this part to the children, and the children can cut out the cow and the moon and be reminded that the cow jumps over the moon and the cow does not jump into our stomachs, because cows are friends, if I'm getting that quote right. According to Amazon and Whole Foods, this is #more than a box. Please let me know what that means, because I don't know. But I do know that we have one more box. This one says aromatherapy diffuser, but I don't smell a lot of diffusion happening, so whatever is inside is quite a mystery to me. And what is inside is a little squishy unicorn. All those boxes for this good boy right here. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more quality unboxing content.